Hello friends, today I will show you how to import the contacts from Excel sheet to your Android phone. To import the contacts from Excel to your Android, first you have to log in your Gmail account. So open the browser, then see already I have logged in my account. Okay, so here you will get the sign in option. Just enter your username and password and you will get login in your Google account. After login, just click on this tiles icon. Okay, so Google Apps icon. When you will click, you will get the pop-up menu. So in this pop-up, click on contacts option. Okay, so this is the contacts icon. So just click on contacts. When you click on contacts option, you will get the contact menu. So contact menu is appearing on my screen. Next step is click on create contact. Again I will click on that create contact. So when you click on create contact, you will get on the simple form. I will write one dummy contact name XYZ and mobile number, one dummy number, then click on save button. This contact got saved. I will close this. Okay. Now what you have to do, so in this menu go to export option. Here go to export. Now here what you want to export, that you have to select. Now here contacts are selected. Totally I have 221 contacts in my account, so that 221 contacts have been selected. Then export as, you have to select Google CSV, then click on export. So when you will click on export, automatically that data gets exported to Microsoft Excel. So in this sheet what you have to do, so just to delete that all existing data. I am deleting. So just delete whatever the data is there in your Excel sheet, just delete it. Okay, so just press the delete key. So now I have deleted all the details from that exported sheet. So after deleting, just minimize this window and go to your location where you have saved your contacts. So my contacts are saved in this folder, contacts folder. So just to open that contacts, I am going to save 8th standard contacts in my Android phone. I will open that 8th standard. Here I will select that. First select only names. Select all the names what you have in your sheet, copy that names, then click on that contacts.csv file and in a name column just paste those names. I am going to remove these borders by using no border option. Okay. So border has been removed. Then again go to that same file where you have saved your contacts, select that all the numbers. Okay, now I selected all the phone numbers. Again right click and click on copy option. Again go to contacts and just move that horizontal scroll bar towards the right side of your screen. Now here you will get one option. The column name is phone number 1 type and AG column phone number 1 value. In the phone number 1 value column you have to paste all those numbers. Okay, from the clipboard my data got erased. Once again I will copy. Again I will go to that same file and I will paste. Okay, now I saved those all the contacts. Again I am going to remove the border. Now see here we have names and we have numbers in Excel sheet. So just save this file by pressing Ctrl S button, Then when you will get this dialog box, just click on yes button. Okay, means this file got saved with contact2.csv. Sorry, if you want to save this file with another name, click on save as. Now I will name it as 8th standard 8th.csv, and I am saving that file in my folder, contacts folder, that is there on a desktop. Then save. Okay, just click on yes button. So now file saved in my location. Okay, so just click on yes. Now I will close this old file. Now see here 8.csv, that file is saved in our system, and all the names and contact details are there. Now go to Google contacts option. Here click on import option. Click on import, then click on label, and in the new label box just type, I will type it as 8th. I'm making a group of 8 standard 8th. Okay, here 8th is selected. Now select that file 8.csv and click on open, then click on import. So when you will click on import button, that all the contacts from Excel sheet to your Google account, it gets import. Now see here we have all the details in my contacts. Okay, so all done. Just close this box. Now here what happened, we have imported all the contacts from that Excel sheet to Google contacts. Now in your phone setting, what you have to do, just you have to synchronize these contacts in your mobile phone. Just go to settings option in your mobile. Okay, I will tell you where is that option. Otherwise I will make a video of that also and will show you. Okay, so this is a way to import the contacts from Excel sheet to your Google account. Thank you. Hello friends, so now we will see how to synchronize the contacts what we have imported from Microsoft Excel sheet to Google contacts option. Now go to settings option in your mobile. Okay, see here, so this is the setting. Click on settings. So in a settings, go to synchronize, sync. See here, accounts, sync. So in a sync, just click on Google. So in a Google you will see your mail IDs, the ID which you have used to import the contacts. So with that same ID only you have to log in your mobile, then only so that data gets synchronized in your Android phone. So now here see sandeephemgire@gmail.com, this is my mail ID. So with this ID I have already imported the contacts from Excel to Google contacts. Now once I will tap it on this synchronize, see here, click on that synchronize. Here it is showing last synchronized 19/7/20 9:32 AM. Okay, now time is 9:40. So once I will click on synchronize button. Okay, or once we can do that. Now it is going on. Okay, now cancel sync is showing. It means so that process is going on at the back end. So let it complete. So when that synchronize process gets over, now still it is going on. Last synchronized 9:41. So now you can see the time on my mobile screen. So 9:41. So now data got synchronized correctly in your Android phone. Now you can go to your contacts option, contacts, and here you can see the contact which I have imported. For example, I will show you one data. For example, Tirtham. So Tirtham Shah here, Tirtham Shah, and his number is showing. Okay, this is the way you can import the contacts from Microsoft Excel to your Google account. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.